Have you ever wondered why, as couples age, some women begin to feel distant or even resentful toward their husbands? You're not alone. It's something many couples face, yet it often goes unspoken. As the years pass, the dynamics of marriage shift, and sometimes, small frustrations turn into big issues. But here's the good news: these challenges are not impossible to overcome. In this video, we're going to explore 7 common reasons women may start resenting their husbands as they age, and more importantly, how to fix them. Whether you're looking to strengthen your own relationship or simply gain insight into how to make your marriage even better, this video is for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss more insights and tips on maintaining strong, healthy relationships in your golden years. Number 1. Lack of emotional support. One of the most common reasons why women begin to resent their husbands as they age is the lack of emotional support. As women grow older, they may face changes in their physical and mental health. This period can bring about feelings of vulnerability, loneliness, or uncertainty. However, if their husbands fail to offer emotional support, this can lead to feelings of being neglected. Emotional support goes beyond just listening. It means being present, acknowledging their feelings, and being an empathetic companion during tough times. A wife needs her husband to be her emotional anchor, offering reassurance, encouragement, and understanding. When a husband fails to provide this kind of support, resentment begins to build. Women may feel as though they are dealing with their struggles alone, and the bond between them weakens. To fix this, husbands must be proactive in offering emotional support. This can be done by making time to listen to their wives, validating their feelings, and offering comfort during difficult moments. Simple acts like asking how her day went or providing a shoulder to lean on can strengthen the emotional connection and prevent feelings of isolation from growing. Number 2. Unbalanced household responsibilities. Another reason for growing resentment in relationships as women age is the unequal division of household responsibilities. As couples get older, women often find themselves still managing the lion's share of domestic chores, even when they may not have the same energy they once did. Over the years, traditional gender roles may leave women with a disproportionate responsibility for cooking, cleaning, and taking care of the home. This imbalance becomes more pronounced as health and energy levels change, and the weight of these duties can create frustration and resentment. When husbands fail to step up and share in the workload, it leaves women feeling burdened and taken for granted. The solution to this issue is straightforward. Couples must share household responsibilities equally. This means husbands actively participate in cleaning, cooking, and other tasks. It also means having open discussions about what both partners need and expect in terms of contribution. The key to fixing this issue is teamwork. By sharing the load, both partners feel supported and appreciated, and the resentment that often grows from this imbalance can be avoided. It's important for both partners to approach the task with a sense of fairness and willingness to pitch in, ensuring that the home is a place of mutual respect. Number 3. Failure to adapt to changing roles. As time passes and couples grow older, their roles within the family or household often need to shift, but sometimes one or both partners may struggle to adapt. Women, in particular, may find themselves managing more responsibilities or taking on different roles as they age. At the same time, husbands may resist or fail to notice these changes. When one partner refuses to adjust to the evolving needs of the relationship, resentment builds up. Women may feel unsupported, as though their husbands are clinging to outdated expectations, or they may feel overwhelmed by the increased responsibilities. This failure to adapt can cause frustration and create a disconnect between the couple. To address this, it's important for both partners to embrace flexibility and open communication. Couples need to have ongoing discussions about how their roles may evolve with age, health, and life changes. Understanding that life is dynamic and roles may need to shift can help both partners navigate these transitions more smoothly. It's essential to maintain a mindset of mutual support, where both partners are willing to adapt and compromise for the well-being of the relationship. In doing so, couples can foster a deeper connection and avoid resentment. Number 4. Neglecting romance and intimacy. As couples age, one common reason for resentment is the decline in romance and intimacy. Over the years, many couples fall into a routine where the spark of romance is replaced by the daily grind of responsibilities and obligations. This can lead to one partner, usually the wife, feeling neglected, unloved, or unattractive. When physical affection and emotional intimacy decline, it can cause emotional distance, leading to frustration and resentment. Romance and intimacy are not just about physical connection, they're about showing care, appreciation, and keeping the emotional bond strong. When intimacy is neglected, a wife may feel taken for granted or as though her needs aren't being prioritized. The solution to this issue is for both partners to make a conscious effort to reignite their connection. This can be as simple as planning date nights, offering compliments, or showing physical affection like holding hands or hugging. Regular thoughtful gestures that reaffirm love and desire can go a long way. Rebuilding intimacy also means discussing emotional needs openly and finding new ways to connect as the years go on. By making time for romance, couples can ensure that their relationship remains strong and resilient, even in their later years. Number 5. Not taking care of their own health. A common source of resentment in older couples arises when one partner neglects their health, placing extra burden on the other. As people age, they may experience health problems or begin to feel less energetic, but if one partner becomes sedentary or fails to take care of themselves, it creates additional stress for the other. Women, in particular, may feel as though they are carrying the responsibility of not only managing their own health, but also taking care of their husbands. This can lead to frustration, resentment, and even burnout. Additionally, when one partner refuses to acknowledge or address their own health, it may feel like a sign of disrespect. To address this issue, both partners should prioritize their health equally. Encouraging each other to exercise, eat healthily, and maintain a well-balanced lifestyle can foster a sense of teamwork and shared responsibility. Simple changes, like taking walks together or preparing healthier meals, can make a big difference. By focusing on their health together, couples can ensure that both partners feel supported and energized, reducing feelings of resentment. It's important for both partners to take an active role in their health to ensure they can enjoy their later years together with vitality and joy. Number 6. Financial strain. As couples grow older, financial concerns often become more prominent. Issues such as retirement planning, healthcare costs, and managing savings can become sources of stress. If one partner is perceived to be handling finances poorly or not contributing equally to financial matters, it can create tension and resentment. For many women, this issue is compounded by the fear of an uncertain future and the desire for financial security. Women may feel that they are carrying the burden of financial planning alone, which can add unnecessary pressure. To fix this issue, it's crucial for couples to communicate openly about their finances. Financial matters should be a shared responsibility, with both partners involved in decision-making and planning for the future. Regularly discussing savings, budgets, and long-term goals helps ensure both partners are on the same page. By collaborating on financial matters, couples can reduce anxiety and build a sense of partnership. It also fosters trust, as both partners feel they are working together toward a secure future. Open and honest communication about money is the key to reducing resentment and ensuring both partners are equally invested in their financial well-being. Number 7. Feeling undervalued or taken for granted. As couples age, one partner, usually the wife, may begin to feel undervalued or taken for granted. Over the years, many women feel that their efforts, whether it's in managing the household, raising children, or caring for the family, go unappreciated. When one partner fails to acknowledge the contributions of the other, it creates feelings of resentment. Women may feel like their needs and desires are secondary to those of their husbands, which can lead to emotional distance. To resolve this, it's essential for both partners to show appreciation for each other. A simple thank you, or recognizing the hard work and sacrifices of the other, can go a long way in strengthening the bond. Regularly expressing gratitude for each other's contributions helps prevent feelings of being undervalued. Additionally, couples should make a point of celebrating each other's achievements and efforts, big or small. This creates an atmosphere of mutual respect and acknowledgement, where both partners feel valued. Ensuring that both partners feel appreciated and heard is critical for maintaining a loving and healthy relationship as they age. Conclusion. As couples age, it's natural for challenges to arise, but with open communication, mutual support, and a willingness to adapt, these challenges can be overcome. By addressing issues like emotional neglect, unbalanced responsibilities, and declining intimacy, couples can strengthen their bond and prevent resentment. Small, thoughtful actions, whether it's sharing household tasks, prioritizing health, or expressing appreciation, can go a long way in preserving a loving relationship. The key is to approach these changes together with empathy and understanding, ensuring both partners feel valued and supported as they navigate the golden years of their marriage.